Have you ever wondered what assets make people rich and allow them to never work again? This has probably crossed your mind once or twice, and it's an important one because understanding the answer is the key to financial freedom. What is financial freedom, you ask? It's the state of having sufficient personal wealth to live without having to work actively for basic necessities. It's the point where your money works for you instead of you working for your money. And the secret to achieving this lies in one word: assets. Assets are resources with economic value that an individual, corporation, or country owns or controls with the expectation that it will provide a future benefit. They can be tangible, like a house or car, or intangible, like a patent or brand name. On the other hand, liabilities are what you owe, are obligations or debts that must be paid. So if you buy a car and take out a loan to do so, that becomes your asset, and the loan becomes your liability. The key to wealth creation and financial freedom is to maximize your assets while minimizing your liabilities. And this is precisely what the wealthy do. They acquire and grow their assets, which then generate passive income for them. Passive income is earnings derived from a rental property, limited partnership, or other enterprises in which a person is not actively involved. In this video, we're going to focus on the top 8 assets that are commonly used by the wealthy to generate passive income and maintain their wealth. These are the assets that allow them to live the life they choose without the need to work again. We're talking about real estate, stocks, bonds, mutual funds, business ownership, intellectual property, retirement accounts, and personal skills and knowledge. So, if you're ready to unlock the secrets to wealth and financial freedom, you're in the right place. Stay tuned as we begin our countdown of the 8 assets that can set you on the path to financial freedom. And if you found this information useful, please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more healthy and wealthy living tips. Starting off our list at number 8 is real estate. This tangible asset is often seen as the cornerstone of wealth creation, and for good reason. It's a dynamic investment that offers a variety of income-generating opportunities, from rental income to property appreciation, and even tax benefits. Think about it. People will always need a place to live, work, or play. This constant demand drives the rental market, providing consistent cash flow for property owners. Whether it's a residential building, a commercial space, or even a vacation rental, owning a piece of real estate can be an excellent source of passive income. But it's not just about renting out properties. Real estate also has the potential for significant capital appreciation. Over time, properties generally increase in value, especially in thriving locations. This means when you decide to sell, you could reap a substantial profit from your initial investment. Now, location plays a crucial role in the success of a real estate investment. It's a classic mantra you've probably heard before: location, location, location. The best spots are typically in areas with growing job markets, good schools, and appealing amenities. So when it comes to real estate, thorough market research is key. Let's also not forget about the tax benefits that come with real estate investment. From mortgage interest deductions to depreciation benefits, there are numerous tax advantages that can significantly boost your overall returns. But remember, like any investment, real estate isn't without its challenges. It requires careful property management, a keen understanding of market trends, and sometimes a good deal of patience. However, with due diligence and strategic planning, the rewards can be well worth the effort. So whether you're drawn to the steady stream of rental income, the potential for appreciation, or the tax benefits, real estate investment offers a multitude of opportunities for wealth creation. It's a tangible asset that not only enhances your financial portfolio, but can also provide a sense of security and financial freedom. Real estate, a tangible asset that offers multiple avenues for income generation. Moving on to number 7, we have stocks. Imagine for a moment that you own a piece of a thriving company. You're not in the boardroom making decisions, but you're a part of its growth and success. This is the concept of stocks. When you buy a stock, you're purchasing a small slice of a company. This ownership stake can provide you with 2 potential income sources: dividends and appreciation. Dividends are a portion of a company's profits that are distributed to its shareholders. It's like getting a thank you card with cash inside from the company for being an investor. Not all companies pay dividends, but those that do can provide a steady stream of income. Appreciation, on the other hand, is the increase in the value of your stock over time. If the company you invest in does well, the price of your stock goes up. When you sell your stock for more than you paid for it, you've experienced appreciation. But don't be fooled, stock investing isn't just about buying low and selling high. It's about research, strategy, and patience. The stock market can feel like a roller coaster ride with its ups and downs. That's why having a diversified portfolio is so crucial. By owning a variety of stocks from different sectors, you spread your risk. Long-term investment strategies often win the race in the stock market. It's not about timing the market, it's about time in the market. The longer you hold onto your stocks, the more opportunity there is for growth. Remember, investing in stocks isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a part of a broader wealth creation strategy. And like any investment, it comes with risks. The value of your investment can go down as well as up. But with careful planning and a long-term perspective, stocks can be a powerful tool for wealth creation. Stocks are volatile but potentially high-reward asset. At number 6, we find bonds. Now you might be wondering, what exactly are bonds? Well, in simple terms, when you purchase a bond, you are essentially lending money to a corporation or a government entity. In return, they promise to pay you back the full amount with interest at a future date. This interest is where you generate income. Bonds are often viewed as a more stable and less risky investment compared to stocks. This is because the interest rate is fixed and the payment schedule is predictable. It's like having a steady paycheck. However, like all investments, bonds come with their own set of risks. For instance, if the entity you lent money to goes bankrupt, you might not get your money back. But generally speaking, such situations are infrequent, particularly when you invest in government bonds. So if you're looking for a reliable and less volatile way to grow your wealth, bonds could be a great option. Bonds, a stable and reliable income-producing asset. Halfway through our list at number 5, we have mutual funds. Now, if you're thinking about spreading your investment wings, mutual funds can be an excellent choice. They offer a way to diversify investments and manage risk, which is a crucial feature that investors often seek out. Let's delve into what mutual funds are. Essentially, they are investment vehicles that pool together money from different investors to purchase a diversified portfolio of stocks, bonds, or other securities. Each investor owns shares, which represent a portion of the holdings of the fund. This allows investors to gain broad exposure to a large number of companies without having to buy each security individually. One of the most significant benefits of mutual funds is the opportunity for diversification. By investing in a mutual fund, you are essentially buying a small piece of a large, diversified portfolio. This reduces the risk because even if one company in the portfolio performs poorly, it likely won't significantly impact the overall performance of the fund. It's like putting your eggs in several baskets rather than just one. Now, let's talk about the role of fund managers. These are the professionals who decide which securities to buy and sell within the fund. They utilize their expertise and experience to analyze the market and make informed decisions on your behalf. This is a huge advantage for those who may not have the time or knowledge to manage their investments actively. It's like having a personal financial advisor working round the clock to ensure your investments are optimized. Of course, like all investments, mutual funds come with their own set of risks and fees. These can include management fees, sales charges, and other expenses. But if you do your homework and choose wisely, mutual funds can be a powerful tool in your wealth creation arsenal. So there you have it, folks. Mutual funds, diversification and professional management in one package. They offer an opportunity to invest in a diversified portfolio managed by professionals, making them a popular choice for investors aiming for long-term wealth creation. Coming in at number 4 is business ownership. Imagine being the captain of your own ship, navigating the vast ocean of commerce. That's what owning a business feels like. It's an asset that has the potential to yield significant returns and can be a stepping stone towards financial freedom. But just like the captain of a ship, you need to be prepared for the challenges that lie ahead. The beauty of owning a business is that it provides you with a level of control that other assets simply can't match. You're in charge of making crucial decisions that directly impact your income. But remember, with great power comes great responsibility. You'll need to make sure you're up to the task. One of the major benefits of owning a business is its potential for exponential growth. Unlike a job, where your income is usually fixed, a successful business can generate profits that far exceed your initial investment. This potential for high returns, however, comes with a degree of risk. It's crucial to understand that not all businesses succeed. In fact, many fail. But don't let this deter you. It's all part of the entrepreneurial journey. Passion is a vital ingredient in this journey. It's the fuel that keeps your entrepreneurial spirit burning, even when the going gets tough. But passion alone won't cut it. You'll also need to conduct thorough market research and have strong management skills. Knowing your market inside out can help you spot opportunities and avoid pitfalls. And good management skills will enable you to steer your business towards success. Remember, as a business owner, you're not just investing your money, you're also investing your time, your energy, and your ideas. It's a commitment, but one that can pay off handsomely if you play your cards right. In the world of assets, business ownership stands out. It's not just about making money, it's about creating something of value, something that can make a positive impact on people's lives. It's about taking control of your financial future and shaping it according to your vision. Business ownership, the asset that gives you the most control over your income. At number 3, we have intellectual property. Intellectual property, or IP, is a concept that might seem a bit abstract, but it's a real, tangible asset that can generate significant income. This asset class includes patents, trademarks, and copyrights. These are legal designations that provide exclusive rights to the owners over their inventions, brands, and creative works. First, let's delve into patents. Patents are granted to inventors, giving them exclusive rights to their inventions for a specified period. This means that they can prevent others from making, using, or selling their invention without permission. Patents can be licensed or sold, creating a stream of income for the patent holder. Next, we have trademarks. Trademarks protect brands. They can be a word, phrase, symbol, or design that distinguishes the source of goods or services. Like patents, trademarks can be licensed or sold, providing another income source. Think about iconic brands and their value in the marketplace. That's the power of a strong trademark. Lastly, we have copyrights. Copyrights protect original works of authorship, including literary, dramatic, musical, and artistic works. This might be a novel, a song, a painting, or a computer program. Copyright owners have the exclusive right to reproduce their work, prepare derivative works, distribute copies, and perform and display the work publicly. And yes, these rights can be licensed or sold. Now, the beauty of intellectual property is its potential for income. You can license your patents, trademarks, or copyrights to others in exchange for royalty payments. Or you might choose to sell these rights outright for a lump sum. Either way, with a strong piece of intellectual property, you can continue to earn money long after the initial work is done. In a world where innovation and creativity are highly valued, intellectual property has become a significant asset class. It's an asset that doesn't require a massive initial investment or ongoing maintenance costs, but it can yield substantial returns. Intellectual property, an asset that can continue to pay dividends long after the work is done. Number 2 on our list is retirement accounts. Now, these aren't your typical assets. These are like your secret financial superheroes. They carry with them a power that's often underestimated, the power of tax advantages and compound interest. Retirement accounts, like 401(k)s or individual retirement accounts, are designed to provide you with a steady income once you've stepped away from the workforce. What sets them apart is their ability to grow your wealth over time thanks to the magic of compound interest. This is interest upon interest, a snowball effect that can significantly increase your money's growth rate. And let's not forget about the tax benefits. Contributions to these accounts are often tax deductible, meaning you could lower your tax bill now while your investments grow tax-free until retirement. Starting early and contributing consistently is key. Even small amounts can balloon over time, turning into a significant nest egg. Retirement accounts, a long-term investment in your future. And finally, at number 1, we have personal skills and knowledge. Now, you might be thinking, what do personal skills have to do with wealth creation? Well, they have everything to do with it. You see, investing in your own education and skill development is like planting a seed for a money tree. It may take time to grow, but with patience and care, it will bear fruits that can last a lifetime. Acquiring new skills and knowledge doesn't just increase your earning potential, it also opens doors for career advancement. Think about it. The more you know, the more valuable you become. Whether it's learning a new language, mastering a software, or getting certified in your field, Every skill you add to your repertoire increases your marketability. Remember, wealth isn't just about tangible assets, it's about having the ability to generate income, and your skills and knowledge are your best tools for that. Personal skills and knowledge, the most valuable asset you can possess. And there you have it, the 8 assets that can make you rich and never work again. As we journeyed through this exploration of wealth creation, we've seen that the key to financial freedom is not just about earning more money. It's about smartly investing that money in assets that generate income, grow over time, and help you build wealth. Let's quickly recap these assets. We started with real estate, a solid foundation for wealth creation, offering both capital appreciation and rental income. Next, we looked at stocks, a stake in the success of a company which can provide dividends and capital gains. Then we discussed bonds, a safe haven for your money, offering regular interest income. We also delved into mutual funds, a diversified basket of assets managed by experts, spreading risk and maximizing returns. We moved on to business ownership, a lucrative asset that gives you control over your income. Then we examined intellectual property, a unique asset that can generate royalties and licensing fees. We also explored retirement accounts, a tax-advantaged way to save for your golden years. And finally, we highlighted the value of your personal skills and knowledge, an asset that can open doors to new opportunities and income streams. Each of these assets has its own role to play in your journey towards financial freedom. Some provide income, others offer growth, and some do both. The key is to understand your financial goals, risk tolerance, and time horizon, and then create a diversified portfolio that aligns with these factors. But remember, investing is not a one-time act. It's a journey. It requires continuous learning, regular monitoring, and occasional tweaking. So keep learning about personal finance, keep investing, and keep growing your wealth. And finally, take action. The best time to start investing was yesterday. The second best time is now. Don't wait for the perfect moment. Start investing in these valuable assets today and embark on your path to financial freedom. Remember, the path to financial freedom starts with investing in valuable assets. Start today and secure your future.